Welcome to our channel. If you want to cancel your RingCentral service, follow these step-by-step instructions to properly end your subscription. Step 1. Review your RingCentral contract to understand your commitment period, early termination fees, and cancellation policies before proceeding. Step 2. Log into your RingCentral admin portal using your administrator credentials to access account management features. Step 3. Navigate to billing or account settings, where subscription management options are located. Step 4. Look for cancel service or downgrade plan options. Note that RingCentral may require direct contact with their support team for cancellation. Step 5. Contact RingCentral customer support by phone or through the online support portal. Inform them of your intention to cancel and provide necessary account verification. Step 6. The representative will discuss your reasons for canceling and may offer alternative solutions such as plan downgrades, feature adjustments, or pricing concessions. Step 7. If proceeding with cancellation, confirm the effective cancellation date and any final charges including early termination fees, prorated charges, or equipment return requirements. Step 8. Ensure all RingCentral phone numbers are properly handled. You may port numbers to another provider or release them. Download any important call logs or voicemails before service ends. Verify your final invoice and cancel automatic payment methods. Monitor your account to ensure proper disconnection and no unexpected charges. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.